Hello students, good morning. Welcome to English class. Today we are going to find out figure of speech. My mother at 66. So let's find out figure of speech. First of all, we will find out simile figure of speech. So we know what is simile. Simile is a figure of speech in which two different kind of objects are compared with like, as, so words. So in the line, Doge open mouthed her face, Asian like that of a corpse. Like is used to compare two different objects, her face to corpse. So simile figure of speech is used here. Now when pale as a late winter moon. Same simile figure of speech is used here. Now we will find out personification figure of speech. What is personification? Personification figure of speech in which lifeless object or abstract ideas are thought of as being living. Young trees sprinting. Here, trees are referred to qualify human quality. So, personification figure of speech is used here. Now we will find out metaphor. What is metaphor? Metaphor is a figure of speech in which two different kind of objects are compared without like, as, so words. So, the merry children spilling out of their homes. Here, metaphor figure of speech is used. Now, in last line, all I did was smile and smile and smile. Here, smile word is repeated. So, repetition figure of speech is used here. Now again, in second line, to coaching. In two words, O sound is repeated. So, insonance figure of speech is used here. Again, trees sprinting, merry children spilling. Here, S sound is repeated. So, consonance figure of speech is used here. So, student, these are figure of speech in this poem. So, let's find out poetic devices. Pay attention. Driving from my parents' home to Cochin last Friday. In these lines, pay attention. Punctuation is not used at the end of the line. So, poetic devices, enjambment is used here. So, students, this poem has been completed by me. Now it's your turn to read and prepare it. Thank you.